See here, I'm going to be using white diamond, and the white diamond, you really want to shake this stuff and I mean to tell you, you got to spend. What I've done already was I've shaken this stuff for about 2 minutes because it separates, and I'll show you why. Wait 1 second. Here's a bottle that I have that. That's what it looks like whenever it's not shaken, okay? It separates over time. All of your grit and everything in there starts to settle down to the bottom. Well, it solidifies, it gets a little tough down in through here. And you got to spend a little more time to get that up, okay? So, you want to make sure that you have that shook up. And whenever you go to put this on, don't be afraid, but you're going to need a couple of rags, okay? So one is, I have the rag that I use here to apply, and the other ones I have to wipe off, and then after it builds up, then I use the finer, cleaner one to polish it, all right? That's what I do in a 3-step process with it, all right? So anyways, I don't even worry about all that dabbing stuff. I need it, so I'm going to use it. But as you can see, you just go on it, apply it, let it do its work, and then work down to it. Okay, so, but you just go in them circular motions. All right, and then you work your way down. And it turns out pretty good. I'll tell you what, I had some nasty road tar on there, and this white diamond, it does a phenomenal job at getting everything off of there for you. And so it works. Just wanted to go over like a little part here. Take the time out and show you just how good it works. See, it's all ready. And it starts to turn black as you see that. But that's the chemical reaction between that and the chrome and all the dirt that it picks up. All that stuff just turns black. All right. So now that I have that first step done, then I'll take my intermediate rag and I'll get that stuff, the bulk of it wiped out. Okay, I usually floss. And I'll tell you what, I like going from the top down, but I'm just I'm trying to get something out here right now just so you can really see how it does. Now that I got that done, now I'm going to take the microfiber, the clean one, and really give it a go. And work its way down. There we go. See the difference that makes? Voila. I like it. I like it like that. So, as you can see the detail in there, and now down here, we still got to clean that. But, so that's what you're into, and that's what it does. I like it a lot. Makes a big, big difference. Makes a man happy. Thanks.